Read a little more so I can educate my kids. Eat from my soul and cleanse my spirit. Pray cause I'm ready for the bloom of the city. Since serenity is on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NichelleSade back here with another vlog, a foodie vlog. I told you guys I'm going vegan. Well, I'm trying to be vegan for the month of March. I'm gonna be making veggie tacos. Like I said, I love dairy, but these tacos don't have cheese, don't have sour cream. They don't have meat. So we're gonna be making veggie tacos. Before we get into this video, if you have not already seen my previous video of like my Trader Joe's grocery haul, go check that out. In that video vlog, I also show you guys how I make my dumplings with my sweet chili sauce. I love my sweet chili sauce. So go check that video first if you haven't already seen that. Also, if you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed, pause this video. Pause it right now, go click that red subscribe button, get subscribed to the channel to see more from me, more fashion, inspiration, and lifestyle from me. Before we get into this video, look how nice it is outside. Like, let me show y'all. It's beautiful outside. I got my plants out here. The city's glowing. But I'm hungry and I work at 5. It's now like about to be 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna eat real quick, lay down in the middle of napping, and get to go. Okay, so what you're gonna need for the veggie tacos, or what I use, is tortillas, flour tortillas, an onion, red onion, green pepper, some mushrooms, tomato, lettuce, and black beans. I made veggie tacos yesterday, so I have black beans left over. I just use Goya black beans, so you just boil them on the stove and you got your black beans. And then also I'm going to be using an avocado, and then obviously you need a cutting board, knife, and a pan to heat up your veggies, and then you will need a pot to boil your beans when you're boiling them, and some olive oil. Okay, so the first thing, I hope you guys can see this. I'm gonna try to get it in the camera as much as possible. So first we're gonna do the guacamole. It's not my official guac, but it's just to go on a taco. So you wanna take your knife and cut it. And then you just wanna take a bowl, scoop the inside of it out. This is such a ratchet cooking tutorial. So here you go, you got your avocado in here. Next, take your onion and slice it. I like putting a little onion in my avocado guac and with my veggies. So just take your onion, can't really see it, but I'll show you how it looks after. So this is what I'm doing, and then just want to cut it in small pieces, really small. So then you put your onions in there, put this over, and just put a little seasoning in there. I like putting pepper, some garlic seasoning, and oregano. I love black pepper, so don't mind me. So then just take your fork and mash it. And this is how it should look. Okay, so next thing you want to do is put olive oil in your pan and turn it on low before we start cooking the veggies. So just like this. Boom. That's much. That's it. That's all you need. I have the green onion. Green pepper. And just slice it. Just do as much as you want. I'm making 3 tacos, so however you want to do it. Boom, there you go. And I already have my onion cut like this. So for these tacos, I also put this hummus on it. It's roasted garlic hummus. I put this on it, and I also put salsa on it, and then I also put some hot sauce on it. We are not missing no spices in these tacos, honey. None. So you want to turn the eye on higher just to get this oil warmer. And I go ahead and just put the onions and peppers in there. Just like that. I wait to put the mushrooms in until the peppers and onions like get a nice little grill on them, because I like them a little burnt and toasted. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is just put these beans in the microwave. Like I said, if I already had these made, if you don't, just boil them on the stove, add a little oregano, pepper to them, whatever seasonings you want, or no seasoning since you have all this other stuff. But I like flavor. Okay, so just warm the beans up, and then you can get your plate ready, because this stuff not gonna take long. Get your plate ready, and we're gonna put 3 of these tortilla taco things on the plate. You can do as many as you want. 1 taco, 2 tacos, 3 tacos. If you want to do 4, go ahead, be greedy, it's up to you. So now what we're gonna do is just get some lettuce, and I don't even be caring. You could cut it however you want, but I'm gonna just take me a nice little piece off, however much you want. This tutorial so ratchet. Get your lettuce. Okay, and then you can slice your tomato next also. Make sure you rinse all your veggies and all that stuff prior to doing all this, or after. Like the lettuce I'm about to wash. Just cut your tomato. I don't like tomato that much, so I'm just gonna cut 1 slice. And then our veggies are already sizzling. Like, look at them. And they smell so good. So with these veggies, I just like adding oregano to the top of them. And then some black pepper. And I like leaving them on the same side for a while just to get that nice grill kind of burnt taste to it. These tacos ought to be so bomb. Y'all just don't know. Okay. Okay, so our veggies are sizzling. They've been sizzling for like 2 minutes now. So we're just gonna flip them basically. Just to get it going. And then let it get burnt on that side next. Okay, so next we got our 3 tacos. What I like doing first, so this is what I do first. The veggies are still cooking too. I take my hummus and I put some on the back of my spoon, and I just spread it on one side of the taco. Like this. Just spread a little bit. And I do that on each taco. I should have tried the new roasted red pepper one. Hummus, but whatever. I'm scared. This, in my opinion, it kind of replaces the sour cream for me. I don't know. It's really good. Okay, the next we want to take our black beans, and you can see this one. Alright. We're going to take our black beans, and I don't like a lot, but enough. And just spread some right there, because you're going to have a lot of veggies too. On each taco, just spread some black beans. Yeah, I hear those veggies. I gotta turn them over. Alright, so boom. There we go. Here is how the tacos are looking so far. So now these veggies are making too much noise, so just stir them. And now I'm gonna add the mushrooms. So just add, and you're just sliced mushrooms. Just add some mushrooms to it. And give it another stir. So after about 2 minutes of sauteing, these are done basically. And you see how they got a nice brown on them, like the onions and all that. That's how you want it. And you're just gonna turn this eye off and boom. Alright, so now you wanna just take your veggies and evenly distribute them on the tacos. If you don't like, you can use whatever veggies you want, honestly. It's up to you. This is just my favorite and what I've been liking right now. So do whatever you want. I need some tongs. I just be piling the veggies on top. All this flavor, you honestly don't need meat. I mean, meat adds more, but you know what? This onion making me mad. So this is how the tacos are looking right now with the peppers and onions. Next, we're just gonna put our lettuce on here. I hope y'all can see this. Put our lettuce on there. Boom. The lettuce gives it a nice crunch. And then put your tomatoes on there as well. Again, you can put whatever veggies you want on them. There we go. Next, we're just gonna take our guac and put some of that on top. If it wants to get off the spoon. Okay, and then next, I put salsa. I'm telling y'all, I be overloading this stuff. I want to take some salsa and pour this on top. Again, a lot of these ingredients I showed you guys in the previous vlog. And then to top it off, I just like, again, putting a little more seasoning. I sprinkle a little oregano, just a little bit. Some black pepper. And some hot sauce. I like hot sauce. It gives it, I don't know, it just make it good. If you don't like spicy, don't put it on there. Look delish. Like, all I do next is just gather them all. Like this. And I eat them with tortilla chips. Just a few. Literally a little handful. Boom. Boom. So here we go, guys. Let's get into these tacos. Okay, so here is the finished product of our veggie tacos and our tortilla chips on the side. Again, what's in here is black beans, green pepper, red onion, salsa, guacamole, lettuce, tomato, hot sauce, and garlic hummus. Y'all, we did that. We did that. And it was super easy. Okay, so our tacos are done. It literally took me, let me see. It took me about like, I started around like 1:55. It's 2:20, so it was quick and easy. And it took me a little longer because I had to show y'all, but whatever. So yeah. Let me know if you guys try this stuff with me. And let's eat this taco. Let's go crazy. Let's go stupid. Y'all see that dripping? The bomb. blazing. The bomb blazing. So there you have it, veggie tacos. Like I said, you can add whatever veggies you want in it, any spices you want in it. It's just me showing you that you don't have to have cheese, sour cream, or meat. And it can still be healthy. The tortilla chips are healthy. It's veggies. I feel like the only thing on here that's not really healthy is the tortilla. But if you want to be real healthy, just use a lettuce wrap. And it'll taste great too. But I just love these. Again, the hummus kind of opts for the sour cream because it's creamy. Like I said before, if you haven't watched my previous video on my Trader Joe's grocery haul and my little tutorial on the dumplings and sweet chili sauce, make sure you go check that video out. Let me know in the comment section below if you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this. Also fashion and inspiration videos. Let me know if you guys like this type of video. I'm trying something new on my channel, give you an insight on my life a little bit, not too much but a little bit. Let me know if you want more grocery hauls, more little food tutorials. All I have for you guys. I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm about to eat, lay down, get ready for work. So with that being said, I hope you guys are enjoying your day wherever you are. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you're going to have an amazing day. Hope you have a good night, whatever you're doing right now after you watch this video, while you're watching this video. Until next time, I can't wait to see you in my next video so we can learn, love, and grow together. Mwah.